Y'all, I am back with another video. Hey, hey y'all, I am back with another video during Vlogmas. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright y'all, so I am back with yet another video. Welcome to Vlogmas 2020 y'all. Yes indeedy. And I am still going. And I am tired. She tired, but she gonna keep going, okay? Consistency pays, okay? So in today's video, we're gonna get right to it. I went ahead and went to Sephora a few days or probably yesterday. I can't even keep up anymore. And I was looking at some gift sets just for some gift ideas of purchasing for people. And I came across Sephora favorites Give Me More Lip gift set. And it is $4 to $5. But as you can see, there's some good lips in there. There's some good brands in here. And I'm like, I seen the NARS and I said, $45. And it does say it's $124 US value. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's taped. So here it is. Focus. All right. So we're gonna pull that out. As you can see, they're actually like normal size. Well, not all of them. I think 3. It says the Fenty, this one, and I think this one. I think it says on the box. I'm in the mood for trying on lipsticks, especially since I just did that whole red lip matte under $6 video. Go ahead and check that out. There's an iCard right there. It's obviously for every shade of woman, but obviously I am a dark-skinned woman of color. There's a fly. Ooh. So I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys how red lip can go for any shade. So yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna go ahead and start from this side over here, and this is the first one. Actually, I have to wipe my lips off and I'm gonna come a little closer. All right, so I went ahead and zoomed in a little bit for you guys, and this fly is about to die. So this is obviously just the mini size. This is the Makeup Forever option here. And oh Jesus, I dropped it. It's not saying what color. Let me see. So on the back of the box, I'm gonna slid this all out, put it here. And on the back of the box, it does tell you. So the Makeup Forever is Rouge Artist Lipstick in 402 Untamed Fire. So we're gonna go ahead and try. I have no liners. Ooh, this is red. Oh, this is red. This is red. So I have my Lip Bar Straight Face liner as well as my Burgundy lip liner from MAC. Those are the 2 reds that I have, the only liners I actually own. So we're gonna go ahead and test this color out. And as I said, it says on the box, it's Untamed Fire by Makeup Forever. It doesn't say it's matte. So basically, this lip gift set is giving you the collection of, you know, perfect holiday colors for lipsticks, I guess, and nude. So find your perfect holiday red and nude lip. Collection features 3 full-size and 5 deluxe size lip products in different formula and finishes, is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Straight Face Lip Bar liner. All right, y'all, the next lipstick that is in this gift favorite, Sephora favorites, is the YSL lipstick. Look at this packaging though, y'all. This is so cute. one of these. This is probably $45 right here. Let's try this on. These lipsticks smell good and taste good. This really has a taste to it though. Not a like, it's like a perfumey taste though. Never heard of it. KVD Vegan Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Outlaw. This is also another red. Oh, it's wrapped. This kind of remind me of the Rihanna Stunner. All right, y'all, so we are going to the next one, and this is the Elia. I'm really bad at pronunciations, just to let you know. It's really cute. This is like a white packaging, really cute. And this is in the Arabian Nights, and it's tinted lip conditioner. It says on. No, nothing, hold on. It says tinted lip conditioner. And that's all it says. On the red side, so we completed these 4 here. And now we're going over here to the nude. So the first one is the Fenty. But we're gonna go ahead and use what I got. Well, I'm happy. Well, I did buy it, but all right, so this one is obviously not for me. Let me come closer. I'm not even gonna get up. This is what y'all getting right here. So, color like this, I can't even look at myself. A color like this, I actually obviously would have to mix it and probably coat it with something else. So let's see how I can use it. So we're gonna wipe this off, and maybe we'll use the Mauve Over by Mented. And then just kind of see that? Just have to make it work. So I went ahead and just matched this Fenty with the Mented. The next one is the Too Faced Melted Matte. This is the packaging here. Really pretty. I didn't think this video through, obviously. I just wanted to use it as just a gift idea and see what colors are in here for moi. But, oh, this is pretty. But I could already tell. Second to last one, y'all. So this one is the Patrick Ta, and it is full size and is monochrome moment silky lip cream. She is and she's independent. So this is the packaging here. Very pretty. And I'm afraid this is gonna be really light. Maybe not. Let's see. So this is like the Rihanna. It's minty, it's like tingling on my lips. So we're gonna mix in some Mented. Come to the safety Mented. All right, y'all, so we've reached the last one, and it's NARS, and I hope it's in, yes, it's in the nude color, in the NARS brand. Really, this is the color here, which is really pretty. So let's see if it's gonna be pretty on me. Gonna add a little bit of mauve just in the middle here. What do you guys think? It kind of looks like the mauve though. Yeah, a little bit, I guess. Again, I got this from Sephora. They do have it in their stores right now. This is a really cool gift idea. For people that love lipstick, you know, if you want to buy for your girlfriend, your wives, your boyfriends, you know, your daughters, your nieces, nephews, all of that. This is a good idea because of the value of what's in here. You're only getting it for $45. I mean, the lipsticks are not all full sizes, but I mean, how fast can you really finish a mini lipstick? I mean, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel again. Thank you for all your support. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that. So whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.